right, perfect. Just one. I don't really need one, I think. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, you're just gonna take one?
Yeah, I only need one. Yeah.
You're that same person that just takes one piece of candy on Halloween too, don't you?
Yeah. What does that mean?
You can't even see the wheels.
I mean, a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so maybe one picture. I need more than one. Okay.
Dude, you need like 10.
Oh yeah, dude. I'll tell you what, these crazy angles, man, they really, honestly.
Dude, crazy angles? What are you, a flat earther? What are you doing?
What?
That's more crooked than Richard Nixon was.
Yeah. This is, you're gonna think what I need to get.
It literally looks like your truck's going into a sinkhole, dude.
All right, so I need to take more level photos. Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
maybe show it all.
Okay. Dude, I really don't got much time, honestly. I think I can maybe just snap a couple few, honestly. What is it even? It's of the truck, dude. I mean, whatever. Take a couple, maybe.
Dude, that is super blurry.
I know. Oh, I'm kind of in a rush, man. So what, do you want me to just stand still and take a photo or what?
Dude, it's blurry. I literally feel like I just woke up and I'm still wiping the eye boogers out of my face.
All right,
Come
okay.
on.
I gotta take I'll take a more straight photo. All right. I won't move.
It's
I'll
not about
stand
taking
still.
it straight. Just stand still and take your time. It's like 2 seconds.
Yeah, this is good. I really, honestly, take just a couple pictures of the back here. Because who needs to see the rest of this thing when you can just see the best side? This is perfect.
Dude, you literally keep taking the same angle. Why don't you go all the way around and show people that you have a whole truck?
I guess, I don't know, I like the back end the most.
You're never
man.
gonna date a model if you don't understand angles. You get what I'm talking about?
So I gotta go the whole way.
Just
all right.
get it done.
Oh, all right, I'll go all the way around. I'll show the front of the truck, the side. All right, fine. Honestly, if I get one from way downtown, maybe I might get some of the background. You know, maybe get some of the trees. You know.
Dude, what is this, National Geographic's on the journey to my truck?
Listen, I thought that maybe
Nobody can see any of the details. You can't even see the wheels from here. The detail in the wheel's not even showing.
I mean, there is some coverage on the
You
wheels.
look like you're on a
yeah.
safari for elephants.
Okay,
Is that a big red elephant?
So you want me to get closer?
Yeah, get closer and like take something that people can actually see what you're looking at.
All right. No more, no wide, no far photos. Okay.